Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to scan QR code in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to scan QR code in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us at the bottom right corner. Tap on the more button at the bottom right and you'll land over here on this interface where, as you can see, there's a QR code icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, just beside the pin icon, guys. At the top right corner, tap on that QR code at the top right corner and this kind of panel or camera box will open where you can see, guys, you will be able to scan your QR code. If you place that QR code inside this square box, if you place that QR code inside the square box, Viber will scan that QR code automatically. And with that being said, guys, this is how to scan QR code in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.